Welcome, guys. Our AMA session starts very soon.
Hello. We are starting our technical review of Guru Network right now, and I'm currently setting up all the screen sharing and everything I need. And yeah, let's start from here. So, technical review. Um, Again, reminding everyone that we finally answering question when Guru token, and there is a little bit beyond fjord in 18 hours, 19 hours, and uh, Guru token is the main utility token of Guru network. We are spinning up right now, and currently Guru network in a testnet phase, and we're going to go over like technical review, what Guru network is, how it works, how we allowing all those rewards and participation mechanisms on Guru network within ecosystem products. We'll go over real example of like atomic franchise economy and how our technology enables it. Uh, and overall, like how it's built, how it works, and so on and so forth. So let's do a quick recap on what Guru Network is and how historically it grew out of our product of DeFi trading terminal and how we got all the way to here. So uh, basically, we started as Dex Guru trading terminal. You all guys know Dex Guru, 180 dexes, 18 chains, deep analytics, traders categorizations, balances, holders, and so on. Uh, we started it in 2021, went through whole DeFi summer back then, and then we started building B2B products because crypto winter came and we needed to do something about it. So we created Block Explorer, Data Warehouse, different data service API, integrated GPT agents across all those products. And on the way there, we figured that we created a system which allows us to power up all data analytics needs in all those products from one place, as well as we figured that we would like to add orchestration and execution on top of it. That's why we introduced orchestration nodes for Guru Network. And those nodes is basically core technical component which allows us to create all this network participant ecosystem where there are gurus which are basically creating the content for hold on, something happened with my camera, it looks like. We have gurus who created the content, who created the content for orchestration engines, and every participant of the ecosystem have all embedded into their into their like wallet if it's a smart wallet, into ecosystem orchestration node if you run in the ecosystem project. Or individual agents. Individual agents actually running orchestration nodes and another form of compute nodes themselves, and providing those resources onto Guru chain, Guru network. Uh, Speaking about Guru network, what represents Guru network better than Block Explorer and how to find it? You can always find it going to gurunetwork.ai, and there is a link at the very top on Block Explorer, and in Block Explorer you see uh, in Block Explorer you see actual transactions and everything happening, and most of those transactions you see the spikes there. Those are related to our Guru V2 launch, and that our orchestration nodes using Guru network as a synchronization layer in between them. So if you go in most of the transactions on Guru network and click decode, this is basically exposed event bus of multiple orchestration nodes we have operating here. And so Guru network is used as a synchronization layer in between those nodes, and that allows us to power up atomic franchise economy, where one network participant is providing like a system or process to reach Guru network ecosystem, publishing it in catalog, and basically can run it, that process themselves on orchestration nodes, and basically own the whole thing while providing it in catalog, and everyone within the network can order some service from them. And good example of it, which we implemented, is season 2 generation interface, and we tried to make it like a showcase of our technologies. That's why in here, when you're picking up 2 pictures and then you click and generate art, it's basically dropping down into like generation process, where first of all we sending those orders through Guru network to PixelPact orchestration node, where actual image generation happens, and then it returns it back to Guru, and basically Guru frontend and Guru works of Guru orchestration engine, which reads the results from PixelPact orchestration engine based off like whatever came over Guru network. So while it's still working, let's go over the diagram which represents it. So this diagram you've seen in this video, it's actually exists. It's actually exists. It's a real thing, and it's deployed on orchestration node. So you specify different processes in the form of this diagram, and then you can deploy it onto orchestration node, which runs for your project. In case of DexGuru and PixelPact, those orchestration nodes for the project, or it runs on your wallet whenever we have like a smart wallet introduced to the community, and it's planned in Q4 2024. So Guru's designing those kind of diagrams, and that's like AI processor for image generation. And this diagram runs on orchestration node, which is hooked up to your front end, to Telegram bots, and we would publish the information on how to create Telegram bots using this technology a little bit later. And then front end completely works with this diagram. If you're changing something in the front end, basically it changes the process, the front end as well. So that's how it works. You all guys already minted NFTs, generated images, did all that kind of stuff. You already have seen it in the works. What is it under the hood? It's a BPMN standard for process definitions, which is deployed on those orchestration nodes. And orchestration nodes, we grabbed that idea from traditional business process automation, and I used to use the ones myself back in my Disney times. We organized whole like content ingestion and QA process within the company using those business process automation engines. It's widely used in banking sector and insurance sector like for decades. That standard I'm showing here, it's like a standard BPMN standard, and it's in their science like 90s or something. So we utilizing the standards. There are lots of open source solutions, but we add in our own like Web3 flavor and AI processors flavor to it. And those are the blocks we add in there, which allows us to combine not only like traditional business process automation engines, merging 2 contexts together. One context of user execution in the like a front end with another context of like microservices and like maybe asynchronous execution of something like transcoding process of the video. I used to manage using those things in Disney or QA process. We add in like Web3 portion, so we can orchestrate Web3 transactions as well, and going even more towards like AI processors there and data-rich AI processors. Basically, you can have AI processors which are based off data published in Guru Warehouse, making some decisions or helping you to create like different content or basically calculate things. So here our traditional data warehouse where you have all the data at your fingertips across 18 chains. All we have in DEX Guru, and all those things you're able to hook up to your process, use it somehow, reutilize it, and so on. So combining multiple contexts together and serve as a synchronization layer in between orchestration engines, that's the main purpose of Guru Network. And how we actually like publishing it and how everyone can build on top of Guru Network. There is a repository DEX Guru organization / Guru Network where we have our framework published. That's the same framework we use for our own products, and pretty much all DEX Guru products right now spinned up with like partial involvement of this framework or like fully developed on it, like DEX Guru v2. And we have like engine here, which is like orchestration engine, which is like orchestration node on Guru Network. That's where you put all your BPMNs on. Then we have workers. Those are orchestrated workers, and there are different types of them. Like there are like Web3 workers, trading workers. That's basically for non-custodial executions. The workers you can run on your local machine and basically execute processes which are calculating something and then sending transactions to your wallet, let's say, right on a local machine, and then you have like private key in there, not sharing it with everyone. So it allows for automated non-custodial executions. That's why we enable in DEX Guru v2 with automations, and there is like the whole flow catalog in it. Like faucet worker, like you can go over it. Pretty much everything you see right now is in here. GUI, it's our GUI, and so that's a whole package. Right now we're working more towards like making it more user friendly. There are some ecosystem projects which we are able to, with our help, we're able to go through the whole complexity of the idea and framework and build something on top of it, like PixelPact. And that's technology where we generate an AI images of two other images. Basically came from PixelPact, and DEX Guru orders technology from PixelPact. Great collaboration, and PixelPact itself was built from scratch using this framework. We also have documentation in our website, so Guru Network AI docs, and in here you can like go over the comprehensive docs and check all the links where to find stuff. And it mostly right now like documenting how it works, how we're building it, and so on. There's not much of technical examples here, but we have one regarding our Chainlink integration and how we have documentation here on how Guru Season 2 passes in utilizing Chainlink functions to update Merkle root in our in our NFT smart contract. So you guys, whenever you're inviting someone, those invites are like passing over and basically minting becomes available. That again, one of the features of Guru Network, that we can combine calls to different services and then synchronize back the actual state of it. So we're probably going to have some more workshops down the line, like how to spin it up, how to get like Hello World examples working, and so on and so on. But right now, I just wanted to do something like technology overview AMA, and that's what it is. Like coming back and recapping, we ourselves have lots of Guru Network native products, which is like Trading Terminal, Block Explorer, Data Warehouse, Service API, and Guru AI agents, which we already orchestrated using our own orchestration nodes. Then we introduce an ecosystem projects like PixelPact, who run in their own orchestration nodes, and that allows us to enable like atomic franchise mechanism in between those ecosystem projects like DEX Guru and PixelPact. So DEX Guru orders some technology from orchestration engine of PixelPact, and that's the whole idea of it. Yeah. And all the key aspects you can find on our website, and we're currently in testnet phase. And the testnet phase, because how Guru Network is built, like technologically, allows us to work closely with our community, because whenever your front end is tied up that much to the chain as we do through our orchestration node, so every user's step is basically recorded in Block Explorer on chain, and you can see it on Block Explorer. It allows us to say like all your actions are recorded and would be rewarded at Guru Network mainnet launch, which we're planning tentatively in August, and we would be doing snapshot of testnet, where it doesn't matter if you actually had a season pass 2 or not. Like if you had the season pass 2, it just gives you an access to those activities, but the whole reward would be different based on your activities, which we extensively record, and based off all your actions, all your like forms fillings, submissions, and so on, which again, it's a technology which allows us to do cool things. That's why we're covering it, and it's a technology which allows us for a new approach with rewarding the community, working closely with the community, building on while we're building those cool new products and testing those new technologies. So this is like a testnet phase. Would focus on migrating our native products as well as launching new cool products within our systems, every system like PixelPact, bringing traditional Web3 partners on board during that phase, like for our DeFi space, for bridging, for liquidity management, and we're already deep in the process of those negotiations. And more releases would be coming in following weeks, like on what we do, how we do. Same as with Chainlink. Like we have a collaboration with Chainlink, and we're ready to present it, and it's already embedded. We're showing it to you. Then we have something with Dexes. Those would be onboarded. Then we're planning a mainnet launch in Q3 2024, tentatively in August, where we'll bring all the economy together, and it will be already serious. Until that time, we're planning making Guru token liquid. So that's why we're doing LBP first, then we're planning for some SEX listing and figuring out exact Guru economy during testnet phase, and then launching mainnet with economy where all those network participants would be incentivized to contribute to the platform, to catalog of snippets and automations, earn fees whenever everyone using it. Like you specify an instantiation fees, for example, and everyone's supposed to pay them if they reusing your automations. Ecosystem projects would be onboarded again. Main means like for them for Tiguru economy from ecosystem product, because orchestration fees and everything is basically issued in Tiguru, and that's a utility value of it, as well as exchange between network participants. And for retail users, it would be a little bit down the line. We're planning on smart wallet, which is again capable of running different automations and diagrams in non-custodial fashion. And I'm honestly really excited about that one, because that will allow us to enable all those cool features for retail, like running different automations of your trading activities, DeFi activities in non-custodial fashion, as well as bring AI processors towards the user. So you would be able to pick ones from catalog and run them on your wallet. Yeah, again, LBP coming soon. It's like a foundation thing for Guru token, which creates a foundation for future economy, which we launching on mainnet in August, tentatively in August. That's pretty much fast covering it, and let's go through the questions if we have any.
Well, we kind of answered this question, but we have a question from Laron. Can I buy a token? We can reiterate on that.
Yeah, it starts in 19 hours, and it's a price discovery event, a liquidity bootstrap provisioning event, and that's the first time Guru token going to be publicly available. So 19 hours, Fjord. We have a Guru listing here. You can always find it on the main page in upcoming LBPs, and you see Guru Network in here and Guru token. That's the first time you would be able to publicly buy Guru token. Please come over, help us with this foundational thing for our future tokenomics. Yeah.
Thank you, Evgeny. And we will wait for a minute for another questions. If you have one, put them into replies, into comments on YouTube, Twitch, on X, which is X Twitter. Everywhere you watch this, put your questions into comments, and we will answer them right away.
Yep. And thank you for your time on Sunday, because web is. Oh, I just see myself. And then they figures that I'm in Pixel Pact T-shirt, which is showcasing Pixel Pact technology. So basically, Pixel Pact idea is about image generation, AI image generation as well, using multiple like models, and like original idea was to generate to bring to the market AI generated NFT collections, and that's what we showcased with Text Guru. But then it transferred with Pixel Pact ecosystem product. It transferred to like providing a platform for artists to collaborate and for events organizers. So real world art could be mixed with your input, and here it's mixed with my pictures, as you can see, and that was a real world like art in oil. And then basically when you're in gallery or on event, you scan in a QR code, which is buys a piece of art, then bring in your picture, and it mixes that together, and you can buy a cool T-shirt or donate to the author, and that's how you basically tokenize in real world art. It started earning money and so on. So that's why I have the T-shirt from one of the events. I ordered it. Yeah, just wanted to say about it. Do we have any questions?
T-shirt looks very cool, and we do not have additional questions. Let's give it another minute, and while we at it, let's take a look at our short 1-minute video explainer. Would we?
Yeah, let's do this.
Don't forget to put your questions in comments, or in a minute we will wrap this up.
DexGuru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. DexGuru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On DexGuru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that DexGuru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The PixelPact node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to DexGuru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Yep. Thank you guys for your time, and yeah, again, LBP in 19 hours. Feel free to participate, and thank you.
All the links are in replies, in comments, in descriptions, and in all our channels. Do your own research, participate in LBP. We'll see you around. Thank you, Evgeny. Thank you, everybody, for your attention at this Sunday night. And we wrap it up. Have a nice evening.